Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahibati, today's word is Sa'ala yas'ulu. Tuka. Sa'ala yas'ulu. Tuka. Su'ad tas'ulu ba'da shurbi ma'in baridin. Su'ad is coughing after drinking cold water. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updates. Jazakumullahu khairan wa ahsanal jaza.